So this is my setup. Got the Rockville 50 Farad cap right here. Got my secondary battery right there, if you can see. And then I got eight wire at one on. And back here, I have a 2000 watt skaraudio. What was it? RP D1 amplifier. And these 8s are also skaraudio 8s. So these are the low budget ones right here, and these are down here are a step up. So these are rated at 400 watts, I believe, a piece. And these two down here, and these are rated at 150 watts a piece. So they handle the amp like a champ. Also, if you do get this says it's supposed to be like 4 gauge inputs right here. But I had to take a drill and drill it in a little bit to get this to fit. This is a 4 gauge, well, 0 gauge to 4 gauge adapter. So I don't know. Let me see. Let me turn it on real quick. That's how it turns on. So, well, that's my end video.